Today I'm going to show you how you can share your Telegram ID link with anyone without ever exposing your phone number. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your profile and share your Telegram contact details safely and confidently, whether you're networking, joining new groups, or connecting with someone for the first time. Let's jump right in and talk about the first thing you need to do, setting a public username on Telegram. This username is what generates a unique public link you can give to others instead of your phone number. If you haven't already set a username, don't worry, this only takes a minute. First, open up the Telegram app. Whether you're on iOS or Android, find your way to the settings menu. It might look like three little lines in the top corner or small cog icon depending on your device. Once you're in settings, look for username. Sometimes you'll find this directly, or you might need to tap edit profile first and then username. Here where the fun begins. You get to choose any username you like as long as it isn't taken. For example, you might go with something like @JohnDoe99. Telegram will immediately tell you if that name available or not. Take a moment to pick something that's memorable and professional, or a personal touch if you're just sharing with friends. Once you find one that works, just hit save. This creates your unique Telegram identity. Think of it like a custom calling card for the app. But we're not done yet. Privacy is important, especially online, so while you're still in settings, navigate to privacy and security. Here's a really important step. Under the phone number section, set who can see my phone number to nobody. This means no one, including people you're chatting with for the first time, will see your actual phone number. Just below, you'll see an option for who can find me by my number. You can set this to my contacts to make sure that only people you already know can search for you that way. Click save when you're done. Take a breath, your number's hidden and you're all set for secure sharing. Now when it's time to share your Telegram ID, you've got two great options. The first, and the one I recommend, is using your TME link. This is the clean, simple format that most people recognize. Just type out TME followed by your username. For example, if your username is JohnDoe99, your link would be TME JohnDoe99. You can send this link anywhere, in an email, on your website, in a bio, even printed on a business card. Anyone who clicks or taps that link will be instantly brought to your Telegram profile and can start a chat without ever seeing your phone number. The second option is just as easy. Simply share your @username. On any platform, whether it's a social network, forum, or group chat, just write out @JohnDoe99 or whatever name you chose. People can pop that into the search bar inside Telegram and your profile will show right up. So to recap, by setting up your username and tweaking your privacy settings, you can connect with new people on Telegram easily and securely, never having to worry about your phone number being displayed. If any part of this process seems confusing, or if you run into issues, maybe your username isn't available, or privacy options look a little different, don't hesitate to pause and rewatch, or ask in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and feel free to drop a comment with your questions or share how you use your Telegram link. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. There's plenty more tech know-how on the way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.